paglaom ko. Maayong adlaw sa tanan, ako si Raycami H. Lafuente, a proud member of Oro Integrated Cooperative Puerto Branch. Bata pa lang ko, I was already a member of OIC Savings Program, which is the Youth Savers Club. This program helps me to enlighten on how important to save money for future and urgent purposes. In fact, saving money allows you to enjoy greater security in life, kaya nag-save ako because I want to secure my future, my family with co-op. Oro Integrated Cooperative is an open-type primary co-op that has been serving its member for over 56 years. Its mission is to help improve the quality of the members and communities. Oro Integrated Cooperative offers a wide array of products and services tailored fit in the needs of its members, from investment, savings, loans, insurance, to ATM, and health services. Dako ang natabang ni Oro Integrated Cooperative sa ako ug hilabi na gyud sa akong pamilya. My mother is a loyal member of Oro Integrated Cooperative since March 5, 2005. Pinaagi sa loan services ni OIC, nakapundar kami og gamay nga sari-sari store, naka-renovate sa among balay, ug nakauman ako sa akong pag-eskwela. As a member of Oro Integrated Cooperative, I've learned a lot of things, such as saving and handle finances. Oro Integrated Cooperative is committed to contributing to the improvement of the socio-economic well-being of its member and the community by providing excellent and competitive financial services. At the age of 23 and with the help of Oro Integrated Cooperative, nakapalit na ako sa balay ug nakatabang na pud ako sa akong pinalanggang pamilya. Maong dako ang akong pagpasalamat sa Oro Integrated Cooperative kay secure ang akong savings ug maka-avail pa gid ako sa mga loan services. Ako isip usa ka kabatan-unan ug ati sa mga sumusunod pang henerasyon. Kini ang akong maingon. Oro Integrated Cooperative is a vehicle for realizing the dream of many young savers like me. Tara na sa Oro Integrated Cooperative. Once again, this is Raycami H. Lafuente na nagaingon, kitang kabutan-unan ang paglaom sa atong ginikanan. Naa sa tong kamot ang pagpaningkamot. Be practical and save your money now. With Oro Integrated Cooperative, no one will left behind. Ubanta sa paglambok where financial freedom begins. Padayon OIC alang sa moswagong katilingban. Co-op ang paglaom ko, and this is my cooperative history. Daghang salamat!